All right, we're down to the final two presentations of this evening. For now, please put your hands together for Fair Design.
Hi, I'm Elaine Fiddelaars. I'm a textile designer. I work with Indian craftspeople to create sustainable designs. I pitched here on Friday night because I thought technology could play a part in one of my big issues. The co-creation with the craftspeople and the designers. Like myself, I know a lot more of them who do the same. And we all have a big demand on the market, opening up the market to grow our business. That's why I pitched here. The craftspeople, designers and the consumers to combine them, to link them together, to connect them. And I need help.
Yeah, so basically what we found is that this group of designers, they make beautiful products already, like Jolijn, who has been doing it for years, and they need a platform to actually sell that stuff and to allow consumers to participate in the process. So there is now a platform that we've designed where you can buy this stuff, and you can see it's allows you to visualize the whole process that went before you can actually buy it. You can see the cotton being picked, you can see it being spun, you can see it being dyed in these buckets in India, and you can also see it being woven, and eventually you get these beautiful scarves out of it. Sorry. And basically what we wanted to look for is if it's also possible to involve the consumers in co-creating the product with the designers, so they can actually participate in the process of creating it and coming to the product design before it's being actually created. So for that, we created another interface where they could give feedback, like the product, and pre-order it already. A sort of a crowd buying platform where they can participate in the whole story of the product. So we looked at who our customers were, and that's actually quite difficult, but eventually we came to the simplification that is women who have money and who are conscious about the fair trade sort of products, sustainable products. We went out there at the PC Hoofdstraat, we interviewed people, we stopped them, tackled them, and we got actually a few to respond. And most of them like the idea, and they are actually willing to pay more for transparency. The business model is very simple. Basically, we take around €100 per product, because it's designer product, guaranteed quality. Jolijn will take personally care of that. And we split the revenue between the designers, the platform, and the crafts group, so everybody wins. In the end, we remove the middleman, and more people actually get good results out of this. We looked at the competitors as well, but we don't have much time left, so I want to leave you with this quote.
All right, I don't actually have a question. I just wanted to say that both of you, but especially you on the left, did a great job presenting.
So I have an actual question. Given I have a scarf that I can buy in the store, right? Versus I have your scarf, which is ostensibly better for the world and better for people and comes with an awesome story. So about how much more percentage-wise am I paying for the awesome story scarf versus for just the scarf made in a sweatshop?
Not much more. If you go for the same quality.
Like percentage-wise, would you say about? Really, it's the same.
Yeah, in other, like Louis Vuitton, if you buy your Louis Vuitton bag, you pay for the brand identity. Here you pay for what you actually get.
Yeah, okay.
You see in the process what you pay for. You see the material, you see the people working on it.
So you're only shooting for the upper echelon, like design stuff.
Yes.
Like stuff that already has quite a premium so that you can just, okay.
Yes.
How do I know if it's really sustainable? Because you can put up some pictures and
because I'm in India half the time.
So you are on the picture, is that?
Yes.
So that's very important that the person is also on the picture.
Yeah.
Because otherwise okay.
Yes.
Is it all, the platform also not clear for me to raise money, like crowdfunding and pre-ordering, or not?
Pre-ordering to raise money, yes, but only related to the products. It's not.
It's not charity.
Not charity, no.
So it seems like you're building a new brand also.
Yeah.
Because that makes it trustworthy and a sign of the quality and the fairness. How are you going to build that brand? How are you going to do the marketing?
Yeah, we need a marketeer.
And you built it, right? I mean, there's a URL. We can go to it. You built it. Yeah.
No.
Okay.
How many potential customers did you talk to? I sound like a broken record asking that.
Yeah,
over.
we talked to 20 people at the PC Hoofdstraat, and we did some calling as well. We started pivoting around the idea and the marketing and the business stuff a lot, and eventually we got to get this idea to only 20-ish people. But what we want to do next is create an A/B testing platform and actually see if people will be more invested in the story or will be more invested in the participation part of this whole thing, and then we can come up with better numbers. We need a little bit more than the weekend for that, unfortunately.
Yeah. Because the products, I have been validating them for 4 years now. They are in the market, people want to buy them. I have business to business, so the validating is on the fact if the consumer is willing to participate, to actively participate in the process, and if
that makes it complicated
it
for us, right? Because we can't give you credit for 4 years worth of work. This is Startup Weekend, not Startup 4 years ago. So we're trying to suss out what you actually did this weekend.
So what we did this weekend is come up with a business plan for the platform that we could market to the consumers. And we went to the actual consumers in the PC Hoofdstraat.
Even though you had a developer, at least one of them in your team? I see a developer over there.
Also a developer. Yeah.
So what did you do the entire weekend?
Usually we did all kind of prototypes. For example, we have two major things. One is the buy and one is the involved. And we try to see how can we express that by involving the customer, doing personalization, customization, having a timeline.
Okay. Well, you should have put that in your presentation.
Yeah,
we would have been
time.
interesting.